The Nous Research team simply does not stop shipping. Just days after the massive foundation release, Hermes Agent has received another major update with the launch of the new Velocity update. This release introduces a ton of new improvements, including tool search, new model integrations, and an all-new agent swarm system. There's also performance improvements and a variety of quality of life upgrades that makes Hermes Agent even more powerful for everyday autonomous workflows. But for those who are unfamiliar with Hermes Agent, it's one of the most interesting open source AI agent projects right now. It's built by Nous Research under the MIT license, and Hermes is basically designed to be a persistent autonomous system that constantly evolves over time. It can run 24/7 off of your own infrastructure while building long-term memory, creating reusable skills, and developing a deeper understanding of your project, workflows, and preference. And it actually improves as you use it more. And now with this Velocity update, Hermes is taking another major step towards becoming a true agentic AI operating system. So with that thought, let's dive into everything that's new. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. Starting things off with one of the smartest additions to the Velocity update, which is tool search. As you can add more MCP servers, integrations, plugins, and external tools to Hermes, every tool normally has to expose its schema to the model. Now, the problem with that is that these schemas can become massive and start consuming a huge portion of the context window. And this is where every time you run every single prompt with Hermes, this can basically fill up the context window drastically faster than normal. And even worse, most of these tools aren't even relevant to the task you're currently working on, which is why this new tool search feature solves this problem. Because instead of just loading dozens or even hundreds of tools, schemas, and all of these things up front, Hermes now uses a progressive loading system where the model only uses a specific tool when it actually needs to use it for a specific task. Think of it like lazy loading, but for AI tools. This means you have a smaller context usage, faster agent responses, better scalability with larger MCP support. You also have more efficient and multi-agent workflows and more room for actual reasoning instead of tool definitions. And importantly, Hermes core tools such as like file editing, you have terminal access, browser automation, memory system, web search, and task delegation remain instantly available at all times. You can prompt it open whenever you mention it directly within your terminal. Only external MCP tools and plugin tools are deferred until needed. Now, as users continue connecting larger and larger MCP ecosystems, this is the type of infrastructure upgrade that becomes incredibly important for keeping the autonomous agents fast, efficient, and scalable. And before I showcase it live in action, for those who do not have Hermes Agent, you can head over to this website, which I'll leave a link to in the description below, and you can install it for whatever operating system you have. And if you haven't seen my old video, now Hermes Agent is accessible through Windows devices, which means it is natively available for Windows, which is a huge new update. And if you already have Hermes installed and you want to access the new Velocity update, just simply type in Hermes update within your command prompt and click enter, and this will fetch the new updates and install it onto your operating system. Like I'd mentioned, you still have the ability to access all of these different individual tools listed over here. These tool sets will be used whenever you call upon it within your prompts. And essentially, whenever I send in a prompt that entails me to use any sort of skill or tool, the new tool search feature will call upon it. And what I really like is that it's not going to load every MCP plugin tool into the context anymore. It is going to keep the context nice and clean and simple, and it only loads specific tools needed for this task, which is to create a Notion page. And just like that, it was able to create my AI research notes page on Notion, and it used the necessary tools only to get this done rather than scouring through all my skills, where I have like 79 skills and dozens of tools installed. But now with this new tool search feature, it's able to get the job done much faster without cluttering my context. One of the biggest new updates in the Velocity update is the new agent swarm system that has been added to the Kanban. Essentially, the Kanban is a visualization of what is happening within all of your sessions. Previously, you would have a single agent trying to do something itself, but now you have the ability to deploy agent swarms to tackle any sort of task a part of a larger task. Now Hermes can automatically break it into different objectives where multiple specialized subtasks are created and distributed across the swarm of different agents. And this is something that I just deployed right now. And I simply just started up the agent swarm. And to do so, you type in Hermes Kanban swarm, and then you build out your prompt that you want to essentially have the agent swarm tackle. So in my case, I asked it to build an AI SaaS landing page. One agent is supposed to research competitors, the other agent is building the front end. And then there's also a verifier agent that is reviewing through all the outputs and it synthesizes everything and then at the end combines it. So this is where you can manage it through the web UI of Hermes Agent. This is where the session is currently running, where it shows you all the tools that it is using as well. And at the end, it will then output whatever it has created. And essentially, the competitor I tried to analyze and clone was Stripe. And this is where it did a pretty good job in cloning the Stripe landing page. And it kind of looks exactly the same. Obviously, there are going to be certain components that aren't fully thoroughly cloned, but still, regardless, when you compare it to the actual Stripe website, it kind of looks similar. Just the gradient is out of place, but it did get the main placeholder correct. You can still see that there is a similar generation that kind of cloned the UI component of the older Stripe landing page. And this was all possible thanks to the new agent swarm. A smaller but important update is the massive Hermes codebase refactor. This is where the core agent loop was reduced from over 16K lines to roughly about 3,800 lines and split into multiple modules. So you won't actually notice a huge difference, but this makes Hermes significantly easier to maintain, extend, and ship new features faster. Another quality of life update and addition is the new built-in MCP Catalog. This is where instead of manually hunting down different MCPs, the ones that might even be risky to add from GitHub, documentations, pages, and random repositories, Hermes has now made it so that there's a catalog, a centralized catalog for discovering and installing MCP integrations directly inside the platform. It's going to make the whole platform easier to install and manage MCPs in a safer manner as well. Hermes Agent now supports two new models, the Quen 3.7 Max, which I 100% recommend trying out. It is extremely good at web development while being token efficient, and it's something that is relatively cheap in comparison to other proprietary giants. Now, the Opus 4.8 is also supported within Hermes Agent, and this is something that is pretty expensive but pretty good as well. I still don't think that it is on par with the GPT 5.5. With the Krea team launching Krea 2, a powerful image model focused on balancing visual quality and fine-grained creative control, including style transfer, moonboards, and adjustable creative settings. This new model is now built within Hermes, and this is something that you can use as an image generation provider. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. Now, here are a couple of different rapid fire updates that they have recently launched. You have a new session search system that has been rebuilt from the ground up, and it's completely free and doesn't require a large language model. It's reportedly up to 4,500 times faster for searching past Hermes sessions. You have a prompt injection defense. You have a Bitwarden Secrets Manager integration. You have skills bundles. You have Netify integration, as well as a TUI Session Orchestrator, where you can essentially manage multiple live Hermes sessions, including a single terminal window and a switch that lets you connect other agents without restarting Hermes. The cold start performance got much better, and open hands skill integration has been also enabled within Hermes Agent. There's a lot more that you can scour through within the release log, which will get you more insights on everything. But that's about it for the new update. I'll leave all the links in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and take a look at the second channel, join the newsletter, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.